Tired of outdated gadgets slowing you down? Get ready to upgrade your home, kitchen, and lifestyle with the most innovative tools out there. From game-changing kitchen helpers to must-have smart home devices, we've got it all in today's video. Stay till the end, you won't want to miss these. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome finds, and check out the links in the description to grab your favorites. Let's dive in. Meet the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 1000 peak watts, it chops, slices, purees, and even kneads dough effortlessly. Auto IQ technology does the work for you. Just press a button, and it knows exactly what to do. Dough blade? Make pizza or pastry dough in minutes. Precision blades? Get perfectly even slices for your salads. No more guesswork, no more mess, just pro-level results every time. With a 9-cup capacity, meal prep is faster than ever. Easy to clean, built to last, this is the only food processor you'll ever need. Upgrade your kitchen today. Tired of messy chopping? Meet the Tulobi Cup Slicer, your shortcut to perfectly sliced fruit and veggies. Quick and easy, just press down and slice instantly. Sharp stainless blades, cuts through bananas, strawberries, eggs, and more. Easy to clean and durable, rust-proof stainless steel and smooth edges for safety. From fruit salads to meal prep, this gadget does it all. Click the link and get yours now. No laundry space? No problem. Meet the portable clothes dryer, your go-to solution for quick drying anywhere. Foldable and compact, perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Remote controlled, adjust settings without leaving your seat. Surprisingly spacious, dries multiple clothes at once. Built to last, sturdy materials ensure long-term use. Dry your clothes effortlessly, wherever life takes you. Get yours today. Tired of weak vacuums that can't handle the mess? Meet the Stanu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful, lightweight, and built for deep cleaning. Powerful suction. Switch between Eco Mode for dust and crumbs or Max Mode for pet hair and debris. 4-in-1 versatility. Tackle hard floors, carpets, pet hair, and even your car. LED lights and swivel head. See and clean every hidden corner. 40-min runtime. Clean longer without interruptions. HEPA filtration. Traps 99.99% of dust for fresher air. Lightweight, quiet, and ultra-efficient, this is the vacuum your home needs. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Light-Op Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Effortless seasoning at the touch of a button. One-handed operation, just press the button for fresh spices. Adjustable coarseness. Fine to coarse grinding with a simple twist. USB rechargeable, 250 plus grinds per charge, no batteries needed. Warm LED light, perfect seasoning, even in dim lighting. Large transparent chamber, see exactly when it's time to refill. Perfect for kitchens, restaurants, outdoor barbecues, season like a pro anytime, anywhere. Tired of laundromat trips? Meet the Black Decker Portable Washer. Powerful, compact, and built for small spaces. 5 wash cycles, heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak for all your laundry needs. Cold water only, adjustable water levels for small, medium, or large loads. Stainless steel tub, durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Smart safety features, auto shutoff, child lock, and unbalanced detection for worry-free washing. Portable and convenient, quick connect sink adapter, drain hose, and roller wheels for easy transport. Perfect for apartments, RVs, and small homes, big cleaning power in a compact size. Say goodbye to fridge odors, permanently. Meet the Exluvan Fridge Deodorizer, the last odor eliminator you'll ever need. 10-year lifespan, no refills, no batteries, no hassle. More effective than baking soda and charcoal, eliminates odors at the source. SUS 304 stainless steel shell, durable, food grade, and compact. Multi-purpose use, works in fridges, closets, gym bags, cars, and more. One purchase, 10 years of freshness. Upgrade your fridge today. Need more space? Meet the Tankula wall-mounted folding desk, your ultimate space-saving solution. Strong and durable, built from premium P2 MDF for long-lasting use. Dual folding flexibility, use it halfway or fold it completely to maximize space. Multi-purpose, perfect for work, dining, or organizing in any room. Stable and safe, reinforced with sturdy metal hinges and rounded edges for safety. Easy assembly and maintenance. Set up in 30 minutes and clean with a simple wipe. Smart design, more space, maximum convenience. Lift with ease, keep it clean. Introducing the toilet seat handle, the simple solution for a mess-free bathroom. Eco-friendly, made with recycled ocean plastic. Strong 3M adhesive, sticks securely, even on curved seats. Hygienic and convenient, lift and lower without touching the seat. Perfect for any space, homes, offices, restaurants, and more. Great for potty training, teach good bathroom habits easily. Stick it, lift it, keep it clean. This is the Wacom toothpaste dispenser, a must-have for every smart bathroom. Kid-friendly and no more mess, prevents toothpaste disasters on walls and ceilings. Saves money, dispenses just the right amount, reducing waste. Complete set holds 4 toothbrushes and includes 2 mouthwash cups with a smart drain design. No drilling required, easy, damage-free wall mounting. Food-grade material, safe, durable, and easy to clean. Make brushing simpler and neater. Get yours today. This is the Swan 1080p DVR security system, your always-on home surveillance solution. 1080p Full HD video, crisp, clear surveillance day and night. Color night vision, spot intruders in full color up to 32 feet. Heat and motion detection, smart alerts right on your phone. 1 terabyte HDD storage, record continuously or only when motion is detected, up to 365 days of footage. Weatherproof and DIY friendly, built tough for outdoor use, easy to install. Secure your space with Swan. Turn your sneakers into wall art. The Forzax floating shoe display shelf makes your kicks the centerpiece of your space. Glow with style, 20 static and 20 dynamic LED modes for an eye-catching design. Clear acrylic creates a floating effect for ultimate sneaker flex. Easy install, quick setup for bedrooms, playrooms, dorms, and more. Sturdy and secure. Holds shoe sizes 6 to 13 with a slight tilt to prevent slipping. USB powered, plug into a charger, power bank, or PC for convenience. Want one for yourself? Find the link in the description below. Work and relax with ease. The adjustable overbed table is perfect for beds, sofas, or hospital use, your go-to rolling workstation. Customizable height, adjust from 23.6 to 37 inch for sitting or standing. Tilt-friendly desktop, 360 degrees adjustable panel with a non-slip stopper. Smooth rolling wheels, lockable swivel wheels for easy movement. Strong and sturdy, steel frame plus MDF wood for stability and durability. Easy assembly, perfect as a laptop desk, meal tray, or bedside table. Find the link in the description below. Charge smarter, not harder. The 3-in-1 wireless charging station powers up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all in one sleek stand. Fast and efficient, delivers 7.5 watts for iPhones, 5 watts for AirPods, and 3 watts for watches. Perfect for travel, lightweight, foldable, and compact for easy portability. Safe and secure, built-in overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection. Case-friendly, works with cases 0.15 inches, excluding metal magnetic cases. Stylish and organized, a clutter-free charging hub for home, office, or bedside. Check it out now, link is in the description below. This is the perfect motion sensor LED wall light for a safer, brighter outdoor space. Motion-activated LED, lights up when movement is detected for added security. Weather-resistant build, made from durable aluminum to withstand the elements. Energy-efficient LED, bright, long-lasting, and cost-saving illumination. Sleek black finish, adds a modern touch to porches, patios, and gardens. Easy wall mount installation, quick setup for instant ambiance and security. Find the link in the description below. That's a wrap on today's must-have gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found something you love, check out the links in the description to grab yours. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the coolest finds. See you in the next one.